is the living room. And the laundry room, which is the cat's room too. That's where the washer and dryer are gonna go. It's the door to get in. This is the spare bedroom. And the closet with all the stuff in it. And this is the spare bathroom. Nothing in it yet. All of our boxes and stuff still. And the kitchen. It's small, but I like it because it's open. And then that's our pantry. Doesn't have quite as many shelves, but make it work. And this is the presents that the cat left. And this bedroom. That's on there for now until we get a place to put it. This is our bedroom. And this is our bathroom. With a huge closet. Like a whole other extra room. And inside here is the linen closet. Yeah, this bathroom is huge. Sorry, moving all around so you can see. It's really big. I don't know if you can tell how big it is on tape. And